Poster SH is a website that allows you to generate posters for social media graphics using AI. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. We're going to start creating. We can just paste in something here. So let's say let's go with a mysterious detective in a noir city. I think that was the example that was already on there. Let's say with a mysterious, let's go in a mysterious, let me actually write detective in here. Detective, if only I knew how to type. Okay, cool. In fact, what am I even doing typing? I should be voice prompting. The noir city with a brooding and unsettling demeanor peering through a pair of sunglasses. Okay, cool. Let's go to the second with, and it should be peering. Cool. And what we're going to do is we're going to optimize this. Now, there are multiple ways you could do this. I personally like to use sort of Apple Intelligence, but what I'll do in this case is I'll actually just click on their optimizer and we'll see what we get here. So this should be at work now, as we can see, optimizing. Next, we can actually choose the style that we want. We can go for nature, punk, vintage. That looks like. Let's see what other styles they got. Let's go with the vintage poster. I think that would be cool. Okay, sweet. So now we've got a much better prompt. As you can see, it's got a whole bunch of details. Now, I'm a massive fan of meta prompting. Of course, this is something I teach to a lot of my clients, just as a quick way to get through that process of getting an initial prompt. Obviously, you always want to double check everything that has been meta prompted so it's still to your ideal specifications. Just going to go with 9:16, and then we're going to generate this poster and see what we can do. So we can generate one for 2 credits, and that's going to be in 1K. So I'm just going to click generate poster. We'll see how long this is going to take, and yeah, once this is done, I'm going to come back. Cool, so now this is done, and I gotta say, this looks pretty dang cool. Yeah, definitely got that mysterious brooding vibe. We've got this interesting hotel sign in the background and vacancy as well as this poster that says truth has a way of getting drowned. Interesting, on what looks to be a rainy night. Cool stuff. Yeah, this is definitely this is a really cool poster, I've got to say. Definitely something that could potentially be used. I like the skyscrapers in the background as well, and yeah, I think this definitely serves its purpose. You can actually edit posters as they've shown here, and you can actually add text if you want to do so, and you can browse a few of their styles as well as get inspiration from.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Other posters on the site. You can also go from so this is what we've just done, gone from a brief to a poster workflow. They've got smart enhancement, creative fusion, and even template application as well. So ultimately, it does seem like it's an all-in-one poster generation platform. Definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you. But yeah, I'm certainly happy with this result.